This video will cover the recommended weekly cleaning of the FreshBlender. Weekly cleaning is due every 7 days and will lock the machine from customer use if not performed to completion. This process will clean and sanitize all the product lines and daily food zones. Start by gathering materials needed for cleaning. We recommend using only the Stera Sheen cleaner and sanitizer created for the unit. Before starting, make sure you have washed your hands thoroughly and you are wearing food safety gloves. From Start screen, touch the 3 corners in the order shown to access the password screen. Then, log in as employee, manager, or service to perform weekly cleaning. Select Start Weekly Cleaning and follow on-screen instructions. Unlock and open top door to access the bottom cabinet. Follow the on-screen instructions to clean and sanitize all the areas of the cabinet. Confirm all 8 product bags are loaded in the cabinet before starting the line cleaning. Do not proceed until all 8 bins have a product bag or cap over the spigot to prevent leaks. Connect the cleaning hose and place the other end of the cleaning hose into the jug of sanitizer solution. Place the bottomless cup in the shuttle. Press Confirm on the screen to start the line cleaning and sanitizing process. Unplug cleaning hose and remove bottomless cup. Remove shuttle, rail, and splash guard and take to 3-compartment sink to clean and sanitize. Clean dispense area following on-screen instructions. Repeat process for sanitizing. Clean and sanitize front door, then install splash guard, rail, and shuttle. Close and lock door. Finally, clean blender following on-screen instructions. Repeat process for sanitizing. Press the Confirm button on the final cleaning screen to complete cleaning properly and reset both the daily and weekly timers. Log out to put the machine back into use.